What's up, everyone? So I'm here today because I did a little bit of retail therapy shopping. It's been a while, and I got what I really could only describe as a value-oriented Hypebeast dream haul. So I went to the Nike clearance store, and depending on where you're located, you may have one nearby, you may not. But the thing about the Nike clearance store is sometimes you can get some really impressive deals. This is probably not the first haul that I've had that was this good, but this type of haul probably only comes along once a year, if even. And when you find it, you really just have to take advantage of it and buy everything. So I did some math, and I basically got $1,330 worth of stuff for $324. So that's a savings of 75.6%. But beyond the savings and the value is really what I took home that's so impressive and enjoyable to me. So I'm going to start with some of the simpler things, and we'll progressively get to some of the more interesting pieces. So first, I picked up this, which is a Nike Tech Pack United States Olympic Team windbreaker. And this was originally $160, and I got it for $36. So I'm not one to normally buy Olympic team stuff, but $36 for this, especially just after an election and a new president, patriotic, got the American flag, fits really well, really comfortable. $36, I don't think you can beat that. That's really great value there. Don't know how often I would wear something like this, but yesterday would have been the perfect day. Next item. I've been wanting some high top sneakers in black that I can just wear with everything. And my wife actually found these. They are Blazer mids, and they were originally $100, and I picked them up for $36 as well. So you can see they're black. They have kind of like a bronze stitching on them. Blazers for me are not the best quality shoe in terms of the materials that they use, but for $34, from a style perspective, they look the part. That's just a solid everyday wear kind of shoe. So I'm pretty happy with that as well. Now, neither of these are really up there on kind of the style points. I mean, this is nice, but it's not great. It's not outstanding. I got a couple pieces in here that just blew my mind that I was able to get. First of all, at the clearance store, and second, at the prices that I got them at. So this next up here, we have a Goretex rain jacket, and this was originally $400, and I got it for $90. And this one is pretty interesting because it looks like a Nike Lab piece or an ACG piece. As far as I can tell, it's just straight Nike. But I was actually out and about today, and then the rain caught me out of nowhere, and I swapped out my jacket for this. Looks great, fits great, price can't be beat. So I'm normally a size medium in Nike, but I live in California, and so I don't really layer. If it rains, it's not that cold. So I ended up picking up a small for this because I'm not planning to wear anything underneath it. If you live in colder climates, you probably want a layer. You're probably going to want a size true to size to be able to fit something underneath. But I love the way this looks. I love the fit. I love the pockets. Very usable, stylish jacket. 90 bucks. I mean, incredible. All right. Now we get into some of the more fun and eclectic stuff, and I couldn't believe I found this. So this right here is a Matthew Williams, basically 1017 Alyx fleece. And this is normally a $500 piece. And again, I got it for $90. Unbelievable. So you can see it has like a separate hood with a pocket. And then this fleece here, it's actually pretty awkward in terms of the design. It zips and unzips completely sideways, which I don't know that I care for. But I think once it's on, I'm not going to be taking it on and putting it off. I think it's on to stay, so it's not the end of the world that that's kind of how it goes together. Not the most intuitive thing to put on. I'm actually not sure. Oh, there it is. But definitely very, very out there in terms of the look. If you want to make a statement, I mean, this piece definitely makes a statement. And $90. Incredible. I love it. I think a lot of times stuff like this makes it to the clearance store because people just don't have the guts to wear stuff like this in public. I don't really have the guts to pay $500 for it new, but at 90 bucks, I will rock this all day, every day. So the last piece here really kind of just completes the look if you're going to wear something like this. I got the Fear of God moccasins. So these were normally $170 and I got them for $72. Super comfortable. Really stylish. I really dig them. So basically, for less than just one of these pieces normally, I've got 2 to 3 entirely new outfits, less the pants. I think that's a pretty good day shopping. Thanks for watching. See you next time.